this is Frodo. He's been with us for a year now. He's like 1 year and 3 months old. He's a crossbreed of Spaniel and Collie. Oh, he's being a good boy now because there's food in my hand. Oh no! Frodo, here. Sit, sit, sit. Roll. Roll, roll. Roll, 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 roll. Good boy. Frodo, sit. Pa. He's feeling a lot. Frodo, stay. No. Pa. Good boy. Here. Oh no, it's a big chunk. One more. Roll, roll. Roll, roll. Good boy. Okay. Sit. Roll, roll, roll. Sit. Stay. Roll. Good boy. Oh. No, no, it's gonna jump. Okay, we're gonna go to school again, college, send them off. Daily routine. Ang mga alagad ko, ito, alagad. Say hi!
No, it's Monday.
Okay guys, dumating na ako sa gym. So, I'm just gonna do the usual routine. Okay guys, tapos na yung gym. Didiretso muna ako pala sa nearby supermarket kasi bibili ako ng single cream. Pang 5 araw ko na ngayon sa gym. I'm doing a good job at the moment. Keeping up. 5 days straight, 1 break.
Store assistant required at till 2, please.
Maliit, so dalawahin ko na lang. Okay guys, pupunta muna ako sa supermarket kasi bibili ako ng pagkain ng aso namin, si Frodo. Pa! Roll! 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 Yeah, we're in the chocolate section right now. We're just buying some chocolates, Toblerone for the balikbayan box for our relatives and friends. We're buying the 1 pound one. We're buying about 30 pieces of these Toblerones. Nami sa pet section, magkuha lang may dog food, so among iro. These are the ones his favorite, so we're gonna get some beef flavor and chicken. So we're gonna get 7. Have 3 there. So right, naka-shopping ako sa pasalubong ni Kuli. Ang ipakita ninyo. Toblerone. Murag bars of gold each one. Dugangan pa ni inig pang balikbayan box. Okay guys, ito yung mga pagkain ni Frodo. Binili namin sa mga 7 packs nito. One of the packs are already in here. Lakas kumain ng aso namin. Ito yung bed niya. Yan. Ito yung model natin ngayon. Frodo, pa. Good job. How are you today?